Hi guys, welcome back to my channel or welcome to my channel. I hope you all are doing good. So today I have created this all matte smoky eye look. So I have created this matte look with matte smoky eyes, like soft matte smoky eyes. The eye look is so simple. You can literally create this eye look within 5 minutes. You don't need so much of products or anything like that. And yeah, the look is matte today. I didn't want it to use any kind of highlighter because it's a summer season, and after few minutes or half an hour you will get oil on your face. So yeah, it will automatically work as highlighter or any shine. So yeah, I have created this matte look, and yeah, let's continue. So here I'm using NYX concealer as my eye base. Here I'm setting my eye base with the compact powder or any loose powders. Please set your eye base for a flawless and smooth strokes of eyeshadow. Here I'm applying those two transition shade on the upper part of my eyes. Then I'm taking a bit more darker shade and applying it on my crease. I am doing a smoky look, so I will be using 2 to 3 shades of brown to make it more smoky and pigmented. Then I'm taking a bit more darker shade and applying it again on my crease, and I'm just blending it in a circular motion, and I am blending it in a dome shape. As you can see, I'm not blending it outwards but only on the inner part of my eyes in a dome shape. And after every step, go back and blend it again. It will help you to give that flawless and clean look. Here I'm taking both of these darker shades of brown and I'm applying it on the remaining part of my lids, and I'm blending it outwards in a dome shape in a circular motion. You can do the same eye look in the reverse steps. First the darker shade, then blending it out with the crease shade, then the transition shade. All up to you. I like doing it in this way, but yeah, you can definitely do the steps in reverse motion. Here I'm using the concealer on my pigmented area, which is under my eyes and some of my pimple marks. And I'm using NYX concealer. I'm using foundation by Milani in the shade 04. It's the conceal and foundation. And I am only doing it on the half of my face for now to show you that how a foundation should look like on your face. It should not be lighter than your skin tone, not darker than your skin tone, but it should match according to your skin tone and according to your skin type. As you can see, both the side looks identical. I'm using a lighter shade of concealer by Swiss Beauty to highlight my face, which is under my eyes, on my bridge of my nose, on my cupid's bow, chin, and then I'm blending it in. Setting the whole face with MAC Studio Fix Compact, and it's a thick compact, so yeah, it will help you in giving that matte look which I wanted for this video. And here I'm using the Blink It Kajal by Zan and Maiza, and it's a great kajal. I love it. On to the next step, I am using the darker brown shade for my under eyes. Then I'm blending it in with the lighter shade or the transition shade which I use for the first step of my eye. And then I'm filling in my brow with my usual brow routine, like using a shadow brow, a darker brown shadow as my eyebrows. For my blush and bronzer, I'm using Sugar 3-in-1 palette. It's a great palette, good for traveling purpose, good for beginners, and yeah, I use it quite a lot because it's such a great product. And here I forgot that I'm filming a video and I kept my mirror on my face like this and I couldn't shoot it properly. The tutorial. Okay, so as you know, I recently started using lip liners for my makeup routine, and by far I'm loving this step. Like, it's so easy to line your lips to make them look fuller or anything. But yeah, it's a great step. And yeah, you should also try using a lip liner if you want to give your lips more definition and you like overlining your lips. So yeah, love this, and I am using this lipstick by Recode. I don't remember the shade, but yeah, this is how my makeup has turned out at the end, and this is how you look from the far away, and then I'll show you how you look close by. And yeah, if you like this video and if you like this look, like the video, subscribe to my channel, and please share it with your friends or family. And thanks for watching. Bye bye.